It is narrated from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha that the wife of Hazrat Usman bin Mazin used to apply henna first and emit fragrance, but suddenly she abandoned all these things. One day she came to me and I asked her whether her husband was present and had gone somewhere. She replied that his existence was like non-existence. I asked, "What do you mean?" She said that Usman had no interest in worldly desires and women. After a while, the Prophet ﷺ came to me and I mentioned this to him. The Prophet ﷺ met Usman and asked, "O Usman, do you have faith in those things in which we have faith?" Usman replied, "O Messenger of Allah, I swear by Allah, we do have faith." The Prophet ﷺ then asked, "Why do you not act upon our way?" This narration is also reported through another chain of narrators. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23654.